Right, hello guys, we've come to Ryder Falls, the waterfall, but as you could probably tell, as we're in Wales, it's quite obviously raining and not staying nice, so we're not going to be able to walk to the top today, but I'm going to see if I can get some good shots and just see what I can get. But my camera is getting soaked, this is not good. Guys, I don't know how well you can hear me. It's pretty noisy here, but yeah, that's the waterfall. It's just a shame about the weather. I could have got some sick footage here. Sorry, I keep looking at the bloody screen because it's got a screen on this one. But yeah, the weather's horrible, so we're going to have to call it a day. I think we're going to go head on to somewhere else. I'm not sure yet, but I'll let you know anyway. So yeah, pretty sick. In a bit. Come on. Just stopped off at a place called Lake Fernway, as you've just seen. Still raining, still horrible. Such a shame, because if the weather was nice we would have got some epic footage today, but you know, we're in Wales, it rains every day, so just got to make do with what you can do. But this is where I'm in my element, in scenery like this. Look at it. You know, just out exploring. It's awesome! Right, hello guys. I just realised I didn't even say goodbye last night. How rude of me. Yeah, after we got back from the waterfall we didn't really do much. We just chilled out and, you know, just did the usual, watched a bit of TV and all that jazz. But today we're off to watch Topgear live in Liverpool, so it should be awesome. I'm not really sure what to expect yet because I haven't really researched it or anything. It's going to be a bit of a surprise. But yeah, it should be a good, should be a laugh. I think they have a load of epic cars there as well, so that's always nice. And yes, we're just leaving now, and hopefully I'm allowed my camera in there. I haven't even really thought about it, but I should be able to, so I should be able to get some sick footage. So let's crack on. Right, so we just got here, usual car park problems, no change for the machine. So just try and scrape some change up, and then we're going to head in and see what's happening.
He's a mean machine.
He's a mean machine.
Right, well, Top Gear Live was awesome. If any of you ever get the chance to go and watch it, I'd highly recommend it. Such a good atmosphere in there, and if you like Top Gear, you're obviously going to like it. So we're just looking for money at the moment because we need change again to get back through the Mersey tunnel. So we've pulled into Asda and they've just ran in to grab some change, and then we're going to go and grab some food somewhere. I'm not too sure yet, but I'm absolutely ravishing. I haven't eaten in hours, so yeah, whatever we get, I'm gonna demolish. Why am I blurry? There we are. Right, anyway guys, we're back. Just stopped off for a Pizza Hut on the way home, but I was literally that hungry I forgot to vlog. So yeah, we had a Pizza Hut on the way home. Just gonna crack on with my edit now and try and get that uploaded for you guys, and then I will be back to normal vlogging next week. I'll probably upload Saturday. I try and upload every Saturday and Sunday, well, Saturday or Sunday. So yeah, I'll be back to normal next week, unfortunately. So I will see you all next week.